So the second key assessment that I want to talk about is the Math for Social Justice Key Assessment. Same location as the other. Most of the things that you see in this math assessment are identical to what exists in the science unit. So you've got your unit lesson plan. In science, ask for at least 2 other content areas, and that's typically because at the elementary school, science is not something that is given front choice, but in math, you have a lot more time for that. So what we would like is for you to connect at least 1 other STEM discipline for your unit. 5 connected lessons, approximately 2 weeks, the whole 9 yards. The demographic information, all of those are things that you have already completed in your contextual information. Evidence of teaching, the teaching video that you've recorded, and then the reflection that you will write on that subsequent teaching. Assessments, exact same information as you saw on the science unit. Community involvement, again, the same thing. What is new for this one is the equitable access plan. This is going to be addressed in learning activity number 9, I believe, with a lot more detail. This is a piece you don't need to worry about yet. Then we go into the reflection, which you already have completed. And similar to the other one, I think that's pretty straightforward for you.